just a great ride. Lots of bikes out, which is really cool to see. It just started pouring. Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of That Sportster Life. So it is October the 20-something, let's see, October the 23rd. So yeah, season's over now. So it's getting really cold. It was -2 this morning and frost was on the ground and whatnot. So it's time to put the bike in the garage. So we're gonna go for a little ride to the gas station, fill up the tank, and come back and I'll show you what I do to get my bike ready for storage. All right, hope you enjoy the ride to the gas station. Alright guys, so we made it back to the garage. Got it in the garage. So I'm going to show you what I like to do to get the bike ready for storage. First off, I'll go through a couple things. You're going to need your battery tender. That's what that is there. You need fuel stabilizer. Goes in the gas tank. And just a couple of little maintenance things I like to do. I like to also clean the bike before put the cover on. So I got this Harley Davidson denim paint cleaner and just a little sprayable leather cleaner for the bike seat, for the saddle. So yeah, that's what I'm going to do today. I like to get the bike cleaned up just to get rid of all the bugs and whatnot, because that will eventually deteriorate the paint if you keep it on there for a while. So first off, you're going to want to connect the battery tender. So on the side of my bike, you kind of take the battery cover off and there's your harness right there for the battery tender, just to keep it fully charged over the winter. So I'm just going to do that and get it cleaned up, and that's all there is to it. You're also going to want to check your tire pressure. Reason being is you don't want any flat spots in your tire from it sitting over the winter when you're ready to take it out in the springtime. So like I said, there's not much to it. Some people like to do an oil change before they put it away. I'll probably just do my oil change in the springtime. Yeah, that's it. One other thing I wanted to mention is when you do this stabilizer, it has instructions on the back on how much to add. make sure you follow those directions. And when you do it, you want to let the motor run for a little bit just to get the stabilizer fluid through the system. But yeah, that's all I do when it comes to storing the bike for the winter. So I'm gonna get to it, and I hope you have an awesome day, and hopefully I'll be able to get a couple more videos up over the winter. I'll try and think of something. We'll do like a best of video of my favorite rides. But yeah, that's it. You just have an awesome day. Cheers.